So guys, what we will do today is that we will look into, we will do first, we'll do a couple of exercises. I'll be there in the class, okay? I would want everybody to kind of do these questions, which I will keep putting onto the chat window, okay? And the database that we will use.
Hello everyone. Hello Pratik. Hello Vinay.
Hey. The database we will use is credit card profiling database. Okay, so if you guys do not have access to it, make a quick connection if you're using Pop SQL, or otherwise, if you have the connection, let me just give you the scripts right away. Give me a second.
It's CC profile database, right?
Yeah, CC profile database.
Okay.
Can you see the questions on the screen now? Okay, sorry.
Also, Pratik, I got a mail from Pop SQL saying, the trial is getting over. Yes.
That's fine, Sanjeev. Do you have access to Workbench, Sanjeev?
Yeah, I can continue on that then.
Sorry?
Today I'll do it on Pop SQL, then I'll continue on the Workbench.
Yeah, just continue on Workbench. I can give you, 10 different portals which are free. That's
you told about Google, right? Yesterday.
Yeah, there are quite a few. I'm not. There's no point paying somebody for just the client.
Right.
So Pratik, it's necessary to use the Pop SQL?
Is it necessary to use Pop SQL? No, it's necessary to use one client, Vivek, as we discussed multiple times.
Okay.
Got it? Now, what we want to do is, let's do this first question first, okay? We will do one question at a time. List the records of females who have names beginning with C. And guys, anybody who's facing any problem in any of these questions, I'm here to help you right now, okay? And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask, different people to share the screen and try to do it. I want to understand, how far have we understood these scripts and how can we write it? You all have reference scripts available for each one of these questions. All have reference scripts available for each one of these questions. So for example, this question, list the records of females who have names beginning with C. Let's do it, guys.
Yeah. So you will ask once we finish on our partner.
Yeah, go ahead and write, and then I'm going to ask specific people to kind of, tell me or share the answer.
Yes, that will fair enough.
Yeah. All right. And as you get done, you can definitely share the script to me on the chat window. You can just send it directly to me. Okay.
Pratik, the database we need to use is cc_profile_db or cc_profiling, because I don't see cc_profiling. It's okay. This one. Okay, cool. Thank you.
This one. Okay.
I don't have this database based on my Workbench. Yeah, so can I use credit card profiling? Any other, credit card profiling?
Yeah, credit card profiling is this only. Whatever name.
Okay. CC profile. Okay, understood.
Credit card.
I've given little. I think the name is a bit different here in my.
Yeah, that's fine. Different people might have given it a different name.
Understood. Okay.
Okay, Pratibha, congratulations. Okay. So list the records of females who have names beginning with C. Records of females. Yeah.
पोस्ट एंड कंट्री वर्क सपोर्टिंग डॉक्टर कॉम्प्लेक्स एक्सपेरिमेंट तो मेरे पास एक्सेल शीट है मैं क्रॉस चेक कर लेता हूं सपोर्टिंग डॉक्टर
Govind, you have a question?
क्या डिफरेंस रहेगा सपोर्टिंग डॉक में अगर जैसे एक छोटा सा काम है तो डिफरेंट लोग डिफरेंट तरीके से इंटरप्रेट करते हैं एक बंदे
Okay. So first question is, which table are we going to? So I see some of the folks have started sending it to me already. I just want. Chitis, check it, huh? Females also, Chitis. Females.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that condition.
Arshad, are you there, Arshad?
Yes.
Pratik, is this beginning with capital C or just C any? Yeah, small or big? The question number one.
Any C is
Okay.
Any C is fine.
I think I just sent the revised one. I forgot to add that condition previously.
Pratik, I have shared.
Arshad, can you also share, Arshad?
Yeah, just doing. Actually, I was facing the issue with the SQL. Right now, I am doing.
So, Arshad, do you need my help?
Oh, I sent it in public.
Sorry, what did you say?
I'm sorry, I have sent this in public.
But it's not right.
Yeah, it's not right.
Yeah, check it again.
Pratik, I send on chat window.
Okay.
Code.
Vivek, that was you. Okay. How about the second question? Let's do the second question as well, guys. People who are done with the first question, let's do the second question.
So it is correct. So I'm
Vivek, yours is correct.
okay. Thank you. The list.
Mine is correct, Pratik.
Yeah. So I will tell you the answer to the first one, guys. Look at the chat window. Don't copy paste.
Yeah, this chat window, we are unable to copy it from it.
No. Okay. But I can paste it, right?
Pratik Shagat has said, I have also written the same code, but I don't know why I am getting this error. It shows the error code of 1064.
Pratik, can we see the
1064.
questions?
I mean, what do you mean? What do you mean by
Yes, Pratik.
what do you mean by so just tell me the error complete. 1064 is what, syntax error?
Yeah, SQL syntax.
Okay. Why don't you share your screen, please?
Yeah, Pratik, I'm sharing my screen.
Oh, you're sharing the screen like that. I guess it. Wait. Okay. First, like ke baad, there is no point of putting an equals to. So name like, remove that equals to. See, it's clearly putting a like a tilde before below equals to, right? That means something is wrong there. Remove it. Remove like, remove equals to. Did you understand why we are removing equals to?
Why?
Because equals to would mean we are looking exactly for C percentage. I get a point what I'm trying to say. Exactly.
Yes.
But here we are doing pattern matching. And when we're doing pattern matching, then we use like or not like with pattern matchers. For example, percentage and underscore.
Okay, now I got the output.
Yeah.
Pratik, I was doing this assignment yesterday. Various places it gets, I get an error of ambiguous. What is that? Why it comes? Like
when you refer to a column which is in a joint query, in a query where you're joining two tables, Sanjay, right? Let's say you're joining student table with the music table, and there is a common column student ID, SID.
Yeah. Then it gives that error.
Right. So as we discussed yesterday, if you remember, in the joint query, if you're referring to a column which is spelled the same in both the tables that you're joining, then you have to put the table name dot the column name.
Alias. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Anyhow, I was doing that. That is why I got the answers. So now I got the relation. Yes. Thank you.
Pratik.
Can we see the second question?
Which question?
Second question. Can we see the second question?
Yeah. Can you stop sharing the screen, please, Shikhar?
Yeah, Pratik, and one more question. The equals to we are using is where the condition is accurate, correct?
Is exact match.
Exact match. So there we are using the equals to sign.
In English also you say, right? I'm looking for those folks whose name have P somewhere, right? Versus you would say that I'm looking for exactly, I'm looking for a person whose name is Pratik. There's a difference between the two, right?
Yes.
So like meaning like a pattern and equals to meaning exactly that.
Okay, Pratik. Got it.
List the people who live in Chicago and have a low credit card uses. Low credit card uses.
Hi, Pratik.
Are
you able to see my screen?
I am sharing my screen now. I don't think you can share the screen simultaneously. Wait.
I can see Arsha's screen here.
Pratik, we are sending. I'm sending answers to your direct messages.
Yeah, that's fine, Shweta. Arshit, now I can see your screen. All right.
Actually, I'm not getting the actual table. I write this syntax. Select from customers where gender equal to F and name like C. If I
in your look at the error message you are getting, Arshad. Expand this error message. Expand it. Here you can take see, look at the error message. This table does not exist. Why would you get this error message?
Pratik,
Customer C is in small.
Arshad,
Use capital C.
No, it's not about that. Arshad, this table customers that you have mentioned here is not there in this database that you have created. Look at the tables that you have created. Credit card underscore profile underscore something, customers underscore region underscore something. Do you see this? Look at the name of these tables that you have created.
Yeah.
I get the point. Let's try to. Does it make sense? Is it making sense? So why don't you use? Yes. Why don't you? Are these local databases? No, they're not local, right? Arshad?
Yes.
Through Workbench, are you connected to the cloud database, right?
Yes.
Do you know whether you're connected to the cloud database or you created all these databases locally? It's very easy to know. Go to home, click on this home button here. Right click. So did you connect to this one or did you connect to this one? Right now. You have connected to this.
I have connected to credit card DB.
So you connected to this one. So go here.
Yeah.
Go here. The advantage, now here we have, just scroll up, you will find that database where the table is called as customers only. Go up. See, look at this one. This one. नहीं उसके नीचे वाला, this one. CC underscore profile underscore DB. Yeah. So here use CC underscore profile underscore DB.
Yeah, now it's selected CC profile DB.
Now there, if you look at the tables which are there, it's still fetching, but I know that the table's name is customers with a small c. So you can write from select star from customers where gender is F and name like C percentage. Now you can actually see the table as well. Just open it here. Here. Yeah, click on it. Yeah. So you can see the table name is customers, right? With a small c.
And Pratik, you have provided tables as well so that we can create our own database instead of using all this.
Thank you, Pratik. Now I'm getting the data.
Yes, I have.
Yeah, that's why I am working on my own.
That's fine. Thank you, Arshad.
Yeah. Thank you, Pratik.
Okay, look at the second question. List the people who live in Chicago and have low credit card uses. So I want Amit. Amit, are you there, Amit?
Yes, I'm here.
Amit, can you send me the query, please?
So I am logged in by mobile and working on the laptop.
That's fine. Or you can just verbally tell me the query that you've written for this one.
Okay, let me try.
List the people who live in Chicago. So where will we get this data from? Which table? So if you look at this customers table here, we got a column here called as, sorry, we do not have a column here called as city.
First one, I think.
No, this one.
No, reason. Yes.
Customer underscore region is where you will find the city column, right? So if you look at the question, it says list the people who live in Chicago. That means we want, if you look at the output that we're looking for here, is what? The output that we're looking here for is
Credit card uses.
the name of the customer, the city, and credit uses or whatever that column name is. The three columns, right? Now we know that name column and the credit card uses column information will come from
first one.
Customers.
Second.
Whereas the city column information is going to come from customer region table. So since we want columns from two or more tables here, hence what do we have to do?
Subquery.
Combined.
Union.
Inner join.
Join them.
Inner join.
Okay, again, since some of the folks still said union means you're adding rows vertically. That means, let's say you're taking certain rows from first table, you add to the rows from the second one. So this is union, guys. And joining is you're horizontally joining them. I get a point, guys.
Yes.
It's a horizontal operation and union is a vertical operation. Addition operation. Union is a addition operation. I get a point. So this is a join operation because we want column information from four different tables. And so people, so Chitis, you'll have to join the two table.
Pratik,
Sure,
I don't know what happened. I couldn't see the result, which is shown in the below the queries.
Coming. Thank you, Deepika. Pratibha, city column information is not there in the customers table, unfortunately. And Shweta, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sorry, what were you saying now?
I was saying that I just want to show you, help me out in this.
Go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah, can you see it? I
Yeah.
cannot see the, well, I don't know what I clicked and my queries were deleted. I crossed these queries.
No, you can open them, no? When you go
Yes.
over here.
But where do I see them now?
Open the tab.
No, I deleted the ninth fab queries, which I was doing on right now.
Not deleted, you crossed them, right?
Okay.
So
yeah.
come here.
So I cannot see when I'm running it, what I don't know what happened. Shall I click here?
Yeah.
Okay.
My queries or drafts, sorry, go to drafts.
Okay.
Now yeah.
Yeah, but somehow what I did, I don't know. I'm not able to see when I'm running these all.
Achha, you're not able to see the output.
Yes.
Achha, okay. Okay, I can help
I
you.
don't know. I don't know what words I should use. I'm not able to see the result.
Output the results, which you're right. I understood. So what you want to do is click on these three dots. Maybe it's down there. Just scroll down. There was a scroll here, right? Scroll down.
I couldn't. Okay, yeah. Yes, but I don't know what I did. Maybe some network issue or something.
No, can't be. Wait.
I don't know.
So yeah, I mean, okay, give me 1 second.
Actually, the version is open pop-up screen.
I have a feeling that you just minimized it.
Try to open this URL again. I would say close and
yeah, close this.
Okay.
Close this tab. Close this tab.
I cannot close the tab because it's Opera, so I'll have to close this. Okay, I'll come back and then share my screen if in case I won't be able to do it.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Shweta, okay, the third question you're doing. Okay, got it. Pratibha, what is missing is that the common column reference. Amit, were you able to do it, Amit?
So I'm trying to do it, but not able to complete it.
Okay.
Pratik, in this case, second question, we do not have common.
We do have a common column, no?
Cust ID. Pratik, I just tried. Could you please review if it's correct or not?
Customer ID.
Can you share the query?
Yeah, I just already sent it in chat box.
Give me a second now. No, you have to write a where condition. That and where you put an and, right? Cities of Chicago. There you write where.
Okay, where and then cust ID equals to and then end. Okay.
Yeah. So look at this.
First and has to be replaced with where.
Yeah.
Okay.
So from customer C, inner join customers underscore region CR on the basis of C dot cust ID is equals to CR dot cust ID. When we do this, then we are joining the two tables, horizontally joining the two tables, which will give us access to all the.
Sorry, Pratik. Sorry, just one question. Do we need to give that alias? I mean, can't we do without the C and CR alias? I mean, if I just type from custom, yeah.
Then you have to type the entire thing again.
Yeah. Okay. Till this it was fine. Okay. Okay.
Where city is equals to.
Okay, like that. Okay.
City is equal to Chicago and credit card uses. So credit card uses column you're going to get from
monthly CC. Yeah.
Monthly CC, which is monthly CC uses is equals to.
So Pratik, in where condition, we really don't have to give the table name because, while joining them, this where condition has access to all the columns of both the tables, right?
SNA. We can. It's not this.
I mean,
the idea
is it mandatory or we can skip that part?
No. Idea is this cust ID column is there in the customer table, and it is also there in the customer underscore region table. Do you see this?
Right.
It's a common column. So if I don't give, now think about it. How would the system understand if I don't give this? Then it will be like cust ID is equal to cust ID.
Yeah, I mean, I was not talking about this on part. I was just talking about the where condition.
No.
Where condition,
I understand. Here you understood, right? In order to avoid any kind of ambiguity, we have to give the table name.
Right.
But here there is no ambiguity. This city column is there only in the customer region table.
Oh, okay.
So when we joined these two tables also, then the resultant joint table had only one city column. There is no ambiguity there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
Similarly, monthly CC uses. So for those columns, it is optional there. Is everybody getting zero answer? What?
Yes.
Oh
No. We joined the.
I did something wrong.
Yeah.
It is low, less than
condition.
Yes.
Pratik, I put the answer. I haven't checked because I'm not getting the result. Just see if it's fine or what.
No. So again.
Okay. Yeah. That less than 25 I had to.
Yeah.
The rest is fine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please check my commands.
This is for next question.
I have done all the questions.
Acha, I will check. Let's one by one. List the people who have more than 5 credit cards. More than 5 credit cards. Meaning, if I come over here in the customers table, we have number of credit cards, right? So we just want to see their names. As simple as that. Prasad, KVDS, Prasad, would you be able to share the query for this one?
What we use to identify the field name with without spaces. Is that a tick?
Yes, tick. Prasad, KVDS Prasad, are you there?
One second, Parik. I'm in a call. 1 second. I'm sorry. Just give me 1 second.
Sure. Hey, Girish, Girish, are you there? Girish? Girish?
Sorry, Pratik, I was talking on mute. Yeah.
So how about this question, Girish? The third question.
List the people who have more than 5 credit cards. So are we combining all the tables, Pratik, here? Because
how do we make that judgment, Girish? So one very simple, point to understand here, Girish, is whenever we see a report, whenever you see a business query, right? You want to see what report will give you answer to this. So what kind of in this report, what all columns do we want to see, Girish? To answer this, what all columns do we want to see in the output?
we want to see customer, the city, the region, everything.
Why? It just says list the people, name and
credit
number
cards.
of city, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Why city? Why region? Why? Think about yourself, right? You are looking for cards which fit under your budget. That is your first criteria, right? So the first thing that you want to see is the name of the car and the budget.
Yes.
Rest of the things you will check later, right?
Yes, Pratik.
Yeah. So here, if you're a credit risk officer, you want to see who are those people who have so many number of cards, right? So you want to just see their names, and the number of credit cards should be more than 5.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah, Pratik.
Pratik, the answer would be 360.
Frankly, I'll have to run that question from customers where number of credit cards.
I am getting 446.
I'm getting 94.
Good job, everybody. And I'm getting 900.
Okay, it's just because my data is up to 2000 something only.
What?
So when I migrated, I didn't take the entire
Ah,
table.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So my data is.
So it's around 900 rows, guys. Depending upon, I mean, if you have not migrated the entire database, then it may show. But this is the query, guys. It's not.
That's yeah.
We can
Let's go.
fetch the same information from trade_card, the first table, isn't it?
Yeah, actually, that first table, I'm not sure who created that.
Oh,
It is
okay.
900
That's
or
why. Yeah, that's
900.
why I use this one. Okay.
Now
How about
pretty
this?
dance now.
Yeah. How about this question? Which region has detected the highest? No, not. I would change this question a little bit. Which regions have high fraud level and which regions have high fraud level among married customers? Just modified the question a little bit, guys. Okay. Which regions have high fraud level among the married customers?
Pratik, in the third question, I have sent you the code. Is this is also giving me the same result? Is this correct? I saw yours one a bit different.
Can you ask me the question again, Faisal? I was just looking at something.
So in the third question, I have coded a different coding than yours, but it's giving me the same result.
What do you mean different coding? You just selected all the columns. That's the only thing that you've done differently.
Yes, yes.
So why would that impact Faisal? Understand how should that impact the output?
It is not impacting the output.
That's what I'm
It's
saying.
just giving extra columns.
It's just giving you extra columns, right, Faisal?
And in your case, what happened? You have asked us single column.
I had given only name column and the number of credit cards column.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, let's go to this fifth question, guys. Fourth question.
Someone.
All three tables will be connected.
How many tables would you have? Which all tables would you have to join?
Customers and region data. That's it.
Three of them. No, we have
Having
And
three
even the
tables,
region.
customer region and
All of
Because region is
all
in
three.
the second table.
all the tables will be connected.
Customer region.
Yeah. See, the problem is region underscore data table contains the fraud level and the region information, right? Now, customer table contains the marital status column. Do you see this, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
marital status.
if you look at the output of this table, this query, what we are looking for is, we are looking for, let's say, region information. We are looking for marital status. And then, of course, we are looking for fraud level. This fraud level information is going to come from region underscore data table. This is going to come from also region underscore data table. This is going to come from customers table. But then there is no common column between customers table there's no common column between customers table and the region underscore data table. So we have to also have customers underscore region table, which has cust ID in it. Does it make sense? So then the question is, how do we join three different tables? We have done quite a bit of two tables joining, but how do we join three different tables? Somebody has sent me the answer.
Yeah, I sent it just now.
I've also done it, but
Three tables, I
I'm not
think.
able to run it, so I'm sending it like that.
You said the highest region and as well as married as well, right?
Yeah.
So south and yeah.
See, the easiest way to join in this case is customer C, comma, customers underscore region CR, comma, region underscore data
RD.
R, right? Where C dot cust ID is equals to CR dot cust ID and CR dot cust ID equals to R dot cust ID. Sorry, what am I doing? CR dot
But
region.
we want inner join, right? That is the faster.
CR region and R dot region.
CR dot region is equal to R dot region. And fraud level has a space in it, so we'll put under ticks. Fraud level is equals to high and marital status
Married.
for such folks. I want to probably print what all
Name.
region. No, we just want regions.
Okay, region, marital status, and fraud level.
Region, we want region. Fraud.
No, you need to put add or region or something.
Oh yeah. Is ambiguous, right?
Yes, because region in two table.
This reason is in two tables. Thank you, Shweta. Confidence in the answer. There we go. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, Pratik.
List the people who are below the age of 25 and have at least one credit card. Now, this information below the age of 25 and have at least one credit card.
It's only on one table.
People who are below age 25 age and have at least, wow, this is an easy question, guys. Okay, everybody should be able to do it. Manoj, are you there?
Yes, Pratik.
So how about this question, Manoj?
List of people who are below the age of 25 and own at least one credit card.
So first question, Manoj, here is, which table are we going to get this data from, Manoj?
List of people who are from customers.
Okay. And what all column information do you want to show in the output? Manoj?
Age and credit card.
Okay, age definitely we want to show. And number of credit card also we want to show. And what else?
That's all.
Name also.
Yes. People. Name.
So all these three information are going to come from
Customer table.
Okay. Can you share your screen? I will help you to do it if you have not done it yet.
Okay, I'm using mobile. I'm connecting to laptop.
All right.
I haven't selected the tables. I just extracted all the fields.
So have at least one credit card, meaning greater than 0. Okay, yeah.
Or greater than equal to.
Somehow I have to work around this union and join. And I need more practice on this. Especially the syntax is something that is going off my head.
Syntax, so you can always refer to it, no?
So
Yes,
Pratik,
yes.
now can I share my screen?
Yes.
So
From play alternate from
from table
customer.
name customer.
Yeah. Where we want the number of credit card to be greater than 0 or greater than equals to 1. Number of credit cards. So number of credit cards, how would you write? Since it has a space in it, so how would we refer to it? Like how you have referred in line number 16. No. Yeah. But you put it in a pair of quotes, single quotes. I want to put it in a pair of ticks. Tick is a symbol before number 1 in your keyboard. So whenever we have a column which has a space in it, you have to put them in a pair of ticks.
Means a double quotes.
No, tick. Tick is a number, is a key.
Okay. This one.
Hanji. End it with this one. Greater than equals to 1. And age is less than 25.
Did you mention equals to 25 or less than 25? In the question?
The question said below the age of 25 and own at least one credit card. So below,
Okay.
less than, just less than, not less than equals to. Yeah.
Okay,
Then
then
name, name, comma, number of credit card, comma, age.
So please consider my coding with less than sign.
That's fine. Put it up arrow tick.
Pratik, the output will be 388.
Yeah, I'm also getting 388.
It's just 3. Age. टाइप कर लो यार, इतना तो टाइप कर ही सकते हो आप.
It's good now.
Yeah, query looks all right. Okay, thank you.
And Pratik.
Pratik, somehow to know what all data is there in different tables, we have to go and check or use the function select to see what all data is there or field is there, or maybe clicking on the table.
No. Faisal, what do you want to know? You want to know which all tables are there in the database, or you want to know which all fields are there in the table?
Yeah, which all fields in the table. So the way we are going is ticking on the table and seeing the fields of it. Is there a way?
There are multiple ways. One way is that you select the table and it show you the fields. Right?
Yes.
The other way is that you can describe that table.
But it will give me only one table at a time, right?
I mean, for anything.
I remember you have shown me some pictorial representation of the table and
Oh, like a ER diagram. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. Yes.
This one?
Yes. Is this for that purpose or something?
Yeah, for that purpose only. So what we normally do is that we create the ER diagram using those steps, and then we export it into a PDF or a PNG, like an image file. Okay. And then we keep it open with us when we are writing the statements.
Oh.
Pratik, do we need to create this diagram, or it is there?
It automatically, the moment when you create these tables, right? Then, if you remember, we discussed
Yeah, we have few list of steps. So
yeah, reverse engineering, yes.
Reverse engineering steps, and you go there, and you can then create essentially. I don't know to do it right now. It's going to take a couple of minutes.
Pratik, if you don't mind, could you please put all those series of steps in LMS as well, so we can try on our end just to see how it's work.
The reverse engineering part.
No problem. It's actually there in one of these select statement scripts, but I will get it added.
Thank you.
Reverse engineering steps.
Because before even writing a code for anything, we must have an insight of what all data is there in the table.
What all columns are there in the table?
Yeah, what all column are there in the table, so that we can relate.
Because data you can't remember at all. In fact, columns also you can't remember. You just look at the ER diagram or relationship diagram like this, and then you keep referring to it.
Yes.
Or I guess at least I'm happy that you guys have now started to ask very relevant questions, right? Now you are thinking about that. All right, we need that ER diagram as well. We need columns which are common. We need relationships. So at least now we are in that track.
Yeah, we are working.
Yeah, I know.
I guess Pratik, the current class approach was the correct. The better one.
Well, Faisal, when I also have a curriculum to cover, but that's fine. What I will do is, I have realized that during the weekdays, if I give you the assignment, the submission rate is very, very low. During the weekend, the submission rate is high. So we'll manage. We'll do like half class something. Yeah.
Okay.
So we can do assignment on weekends. That will be great.
Ashish, if think about it, if I end up covering topics from Monday to Friday, right?
That will be the right. Got it.
And if I give you the assignments only on weekend, then your entire weekend will be gone.
Right. Right.
So we'll have to.
Moreover, we'll have to struggle on weekends how to do it.
Right.
You will have to.
Then we'll ask questions on Monday, right?
Yeah, and plus, I know you'll get frustrated on the weekend that I'm blocking. Anyway,
Pratik, everything is fine. Only the pace is I think is an issue, because you have lots of things to cover. So we do understand.
I go with this philosophy that I will cover less, but whatever I cover, at least if you retain 50% of it, I'm okay with it. Because covering more is what if you understand the fundamentals well, you can also learn these things. All my videos are also there on my YouTube. On our YouTube channel as well. It's not a big topic.
Yes.
What is more important is fundamentally to be able to ask the right question, because otherwise, what will you Google also? So now that you have started to ask very good questions, so it gives me confidence that yes, you are retaining things. You are now doing the right.
Even I felt that concept. If we know the concept, we can find out the syntax.
Yeah. Syntax.
If we can work on the algorithm, then we can work on the syntax.
Okay, very good. So guys, what I'm going to do is, I will upload the assignment. I will put it as a due date day after tomorrow, which is on Saturday. But I know that some of the folks are a little more enthused. So I don't want to, not give them that opportunity to, to practice. I know a lot of people are actually practicing daily. At least I know 8 to 10 people are practicing daily. So I still want to give you few questions, not many, but I it will clearly mention that it will be due on Saturday or due on Sunday or whatever on before Monday's class, right? But it's good for practice that if you have a few things to work upon. Yeah, everybody.
Yes,
Yes,
Pratik.
yes,
Once we
Pratik.
get the heck
Yes,
of
Pratik.
it, then it doesn't take much time.
Actually, Pratik, the problem arises when you have a deadline and you are like in too much already pressurized for the work, and then you have to do additional tasks. Then it becomes difficult. Otherwise,
Yes.
if we get some time,
Yes,
then
that
it's
clock ticking. Yes, that
Yeah,
ticking clock.
I just,
You know,
I was like, I tried to do it because, under pressure, I opened my system at like 5:30 or 6 in the morning that I have to submit it. But at that time, my mind is just like totally in a position to give up. And then when I sleep, I still cannot find time to, get up again early and
So that's
complete
fine.
the assessment.
Because I understand.
So,
I mean, that's fine. I mean, see,
Pratik, can you favor with us? Please share one question on daily class and check next day we did it or not.
okay,
just one.
just one.
No,
Vivek.
only one.
One.
Very lenient.
Wow.
Because daily practice
Is it your
different
lucky
thing
number?
and
Vivek
Yeah,
came up with a
at
one
least
question.
one.
only one. And
Okay.
weekend is weekend.
Yeah.
Means you give 5 questions for weekend but only give only one for daily.
We'll find a solution, Vivek.
Yeah. Pratik, I have one question related to
Sure.
join. Yeah. So in the second last question, we join more than one or two. I mean
We joined
three
three.
tables. Yeah,
Yeah.
this one. So I'm a little bit confused. Is it the I mean, is it inner join or it will fetch
Either.
on the basis of condition?
Very
So by
simple to
default,
answer.
it will.
Very simple to answer this question. Look at this, Chitis.
Hanji.
Let's say if you were to create Venn diagrams,
Mhm.
right? So we are talking of customer table. We are talking of customer region table,
Mhm.
and then we are talking of
Region data.
region table.
Region
Region
data.
region
Yeah.
data.
Mhm.
So we are looking for this. So this is like an inner of all the three. Are you getting a point, Chitis? Hence,
Okay.
this is inner join. Whenever we say we want only the common rows between the between whatever number of tables, then it is
Inner
inner,
join.
right?
The intersection of all the tables.
Intersection of all. Here I have not used the inner join clause, but if I were to use the inner join clause, then it would look something like this: customer C inner join customers underscore region CR on C dot cust
Cust ID equals CR
dot
cust ID.
inner join
Customer, region underscore data
region underscore data
as RD
on sorry, let's say as RD on CR dot region
dot region
RD dot
region. And then put the wave condition. Okay.
Did you understand this?
Yeah. And what is the difference between if we use the keyword join and full join kind of, I am going through that, reading material you posted.
This one, right?
right join plus left join equals full join.
Sanjit, sorry, not Sanjit, Chit is right.
Yes, sir.
So Chit is what we discussed yesterday. What that the syntax to write maybe I can just put it here. It's here also. The syntax to do outer the left join is this. Where is it? Yeah. To do left join is this, right, Chitis?
So this particular query will pull all the rows from student table and the common one as well. Okay.
Right. And if I do right join here,
It
this
will do the
all
music
data.
one and the common.
Yeah. Got it. And then if you do a left join union right join, then it'll give you everything from left join added with everything from right join. That means all the rows on the left table and all the rows on the right table.
What's the keyword you used? Left
There's no
union?
keyword. You have to union to do.
You have given assignment in that one question. We should do like this.
Yeah.
The fourth question, but in that there's an intersection also.
But union will give you the distinct value. I mean the unique one on the both the left and right hand.
No.
Or both the tables.
Union gives you what? Suppose if you're doing union between these, if there are common ones, they will be counted only once.
Only once, right?
But they will come at least once. I mean, they will
At
come.
least once, yeah.
They will come. I get the point. It's not like it will only give you this portion and it will only give you this portion. Do you understand? It will also give you this portion.
But only once, yeah.
But only once. They will not be counted twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about only join? It will give you like we started when we started covering this join part. It kind of multiplies all the columns and
Yeah, the Cartesian join.
okay, that's a normal join.
Cartesian join is you will add up
It
this
will give
these
6
columns,
rows.
this, yeah, and each one of these rows will combine with each one of these rows, so 6 rows.
Okay, yeah, now it's making sense. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Prateek. Yeah, that's all I have.
All right, thank you, everybody.
Actually, I have a query on pattern matching. What will be query for case sensitive pattern matching?
Binary,
without
you
reg
just have to
expression?
write, you just have to write before the where clause, for example, from customer where name like C percentage. So binary, I get a point.
What does this binary do?
Binary will make this condition case sensitive.
In binary codes, that will be different than small c, right? Logically.
Yeah.
Okay.
By case sensitive, you mean Pradeep, it will only search the number of the names starting with capital C.
Absolutely.
Only, okay. And if we don't use binary, it will fetch all the small or capital both, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in the next class. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Thank
you, Prateek.
you.
Bye-bye.
Wonderful
Thank you so much.
class. Thanks. Thank you, Prateek.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prateek.
Prateek, Shekhar this side.
Yeah, Shekhar.
Prateek, I have one query about the second of today. I have write these similar, but again I have getting the error of syntax code only. Error code is 1064. I don't know why it comes again and again.
Can you share your screen and show it to me?
Yeah, sure, Prateek.
अरे equals to कहाँ लिखा आपने? You have not written equals to after monthly uses.
Pratik, if I write equals to, then again
Low and then give a space there, and then
yeah,
under bracket write 25%, less than 25%. If you look at, if you just do a select star from customers, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Do in line number 10, write select star from customers. Line number 10. No, line number 10.
oh sorry. Select start from customers.
Just write select star from customers. You will see that monthly credit card users column, the low is not just semicolon, and select that only. So if you go to monthly credit card users column, go right.
Less than
how low is written.
yes, less than 25%.
So you have to write it like that under pair or double quotes.
Okay, and Pratik, one more thing. From where we can get the maximum access?
Remove this. Remove this double quotes. Space. Exactly the way it is written there in the table.
Okay, now here we can put there.
No, I think this less than 25% was written under pair of parentheses.
On current?
It was written under pair of brackets, right?
Yeah, bracket. Yeah. So here we have.
No. See how it is written in the monthly CC uses columns data, yeah. Look at the columns data.
Yes, monthly CC usage.
Where are the brackets?
Bracket is in between and after of less than 25%.
So where have you written the end closing bracket?
Now here I have to put end.
See, what you have to understand is that entire thing is one what do you call it as?
In one liner.
I mean, it's one word. Low space, open bracket, less than 25%, closing bracket is one word. You have to put that entire word under pair or double quotes.
Okay, now I have put.
Yeah. Now select and run. Select and run. Never run it like this. Yeah, now it's getting it. Got it?
Yes. And Pratik, how can we get the maximum quotients to practice on the inner joint and the union so that we can clear our concept more? Have you uploaded anywhere or can we get it from the internet?
I am uploading it. I had uploaded yesterday also. I am going to upload more today.
Okay, so that we can practice more and get a clear concept.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Pratik. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Pratik, for extra efforts.
Thank you. Bye-bye.